Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another mailbox, surprise mailbox mystery. I really don't remember what I named this series, so just look at the title description to find out what series it is, because I can't remember for the life of me what it's called. But got this in the mail today and kind of ready to open it up. You see the box is a little beat up, but it's to be kind of understanding because it came from UK. So let's go ahead and open this up. It has a customs thing here, so I'm betting that they opened it up. I would think. I really don't order too many things overseas, so I'm not 100% sure. Right. Got some air packets. Let's see if I can zoom this out just a little bit. Got some business cards. So you can check that out. If you like what you see here, you can go to these places here. Two of them, so they're the same thing. But I'll do another video probably of this, just so you can see it better. This is just the unboxing from the mail. Kind of see it here. Kind of hard to get this in total frame. Let me get the mesh here, head strap on the other side. I don't even think it's came in clear, but Reaper mask from Overwatch. Looks really good. Feels pretty good, but I wouldn't want to drop it just because I don't want to break it, because I'm sure it's kind of the material that if you drop it will break, or at least crack it. And even if it doesn't crack any of the mask, I don't want to mess with the paint. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Some loose fabric from the mesh, in case you saw the strings. But yeah, that's it for this video. This was just a quick unboxing of what I got in the mail, and I'll probably end up doing another video of this later on. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you around. See you guys.